Dr. Arthur Zacco. Today I want to talk to you about PRP, or platelet-rich plasma. PRP is obtained from drawing your blood and then placing that in a centrifuge and obtaining a concentrated amount of platelets inside of a little bit of plasma. So this is thus called platelet-rich plasma. We then take that concentration of platelets and inject it into the scalp where there's alopecia, where there's hair loss. And this results in rejuvenating and regenerating hair follicles, thus growing hair. And so, although hair transplantation is the gold standard, this process can be used with or without hair transplantation. It can be used all by itself in growing hair for those who, for one reason or another, don't wish to have a hair transplantation or just have a little bit of hair loss. It can be used with a hair transplantation in that we place the plasma into the petri dish where the grafts are, and it keeps them alive and healthy better than just normal saline. It just makes sense, right? Because your tissue, your body has created this plasma that circulates throughout your bloodstream, keeping your cells healthy. Platelets are valuable because they have little granules inside the platelets that rejuvenate and regenerate tissues in your body. And so when they're applied to either diseased joints or wounds, it promotes healing. And same if it's injected into the scalp, it results in more hair generation of the follicles that were impacted by alopecia. As far as using PRP with hair transplantation, I think it's very important to incorporate PRP and hair transplantation. The reason why is because they're synergistic. When we isolate the grafts, which are done in any form of hair transplantation you get, when we isolate the grafts, we soak them in your plasma, the liquid part of your blood. And you know, your body produces this to make the cells of your body healthy with nourishment and so forth, and that's what this plasma contains. So I feel that the grafts survive much better when they're soaked in in your plasma rather than normal saline, which is the way that it's normally done. So then we take the PRP solution and we inject it into the donor area where I feel it really benefits the healing process. Then we take the PRP solution and we inject it into the recipient area, wherever you might be getting a hair transplant or brow transplant, because we again feel that it promotes and regeneration and rejuvenation of your tissues, and so we inject it into the recipient area also. So in closing, I hope that is helpful and understanding what PRP is and how it might benefit with both joint injection or with or without a hair transplantation.